Come back to me. Come back to me. Pedro Neto, come back to me. Come back, Pedro Neto, come back to me. In fact, guys, this is what we call comeback. In football, when we say comeback, this is simple what we call comeback. Chelsea Fulham. Yes, this is remontada. This is the typical remontada. The definition of the word comeback. In fact, last week some people said that they are going to do comeback, not knowing that they will tell them to go back. But Chelsea is doing the real comeback. Chelsea did the real comeback from Pedro Neto. In fact, this guy, when we look at our previous game, he has been trying, and today he had it. And even this game, he had so many shots on target, but it didn't work, and he never gave up. He continued trying. At the end, Chelsea laughed last. Yes, what matters most is at the end, who laughed last, and Chelsea will laugh last. In fact, I keep on saying this on this platform or on this channel every day. Some days you don't need the manager to tell you to do this, do that. You as a player or you as a footballer, your credibility also matter. Play, give your best. Play to that pressure, play to that intensity, play to win. Guys, we could saw that in the second half till the 90th minute. It was like a war. It was like we were playing Champions League final or World Cup final. Yes, we were relentless, never give up. Pushing. At the end, we had the winning goal during the extra time. Yes, see, there's nothing like impossible in this world. There's nothing like impossible. The word impossible say I am possible. The word impossible itself say that I am possible. And you can only find the word impossible in the dictionary of fools. There's no impossibility. See, we were saying Chelsea cannot make top 4. Chelsea we are not winning games, not because we are bad, but because of the way we are playing. That is why we can't win games. That is why it will be difficult for Chelsea to make top 4. If Chelsea can change our playing style, if we can change our playing style to winning mentality playing style, yes, to that intensity, to meet up to the Premier League football, we are good to go. I keep on saying it. Chelsea were having the opportunity to even win this season Premier League. See, this season, there's no competition in the Premier League. Liverpool is just winning without any competitor. And Arsenal, I think they had injuries during the course of the season. And Arsenal is Arsenal, bottless. Yes. So this season, it was Newcastle. When the season was about to start, all expectation was Man City. When the season began, they fell out. So this season, Chelsea, we started well, winning games, scoring some number of goals. But at the end, because of the mentality, because of now the small team caliber mentality around Chelsea premises, yes, we fell up during December. Yes, so as a player, give your best, give that determination to win, give that pressure to win. I said it. I keep on. This game, I'm telling you that it is not Maresca tactics that won at this game. It was from the players' fighting spirit, from the players want to win at all costs, from the players want to get result. I'm telling you. And the players also play to that determination because of we the fans. Because on the internet, Chelsea fans will continue to be winners. No, we never accept to be losers. Chelsea fans will continue to bring the standard to the highest level, maintain the standard. So it came to a point that the players knew that, guys, if we don't win this game, we are dead. Tonight we can't sleep. The fans will come for us. Yes. So as we are speaking here, you are commenting here. See, it is not going with you. Social media is so powerful. Some people is underrating the powerful of social media. It's so powerful, and particularly this channel, Football Lion, Maresca is listening to us. Can you believe this? I said that Maresca should add intensity, quick passes. This game we saw it during the second half till the next quick pass. Everybody was energetic, relentless, physicality. Yes. Particularly at this part of the season is going to an end. As a team or as a players, you now know your levels. Teams are now getting to know their level. Okay, if we don't win if we don't win 2 or 3 games, we are not getting top 4. Okay, if we don't win 2 or 3 games, we are going on relegation. Now teams are getting to know their level. And Chelsea, what is our level so far? To get top 4. To get top 4. So as a player, sometimes don't listen to the manager tactics again. Just play to win. Approach the game in a winning mentality, in a winning manner. And that is what we did in this game. That is what we did in this game. At the end of the day, Maresca even substituted Reece James. When they asked, he said Reece James, the last 2 games, he played 90 minutes. And the Liga was our game. What was the purpose of Reece James playing that game? So for me, that is why I said this game, I will not give all the 100% credit to Maresca. So the players won at this game. Look at the fighting spirit. Look at the energetic, the pressure from Neto. Yes, yes. And Cole Palmer also today, he played well, but actually, the goals has fly. No, the goals has gone from Cole Palmer. Let's hope he return. And Jackson, since he returned from injury, he has been retrogressing. Jackson is not doing anything. In fact, this game, Jackson was lost. He was useless like a toilet paper. I'm telling you. And as I said, since he returned from the injury, we are not seeing anything from Jackson. Jackson is not playing. And if Maresca can come up with false 9, yes, the way he substituted him out and brought in George and he opened the net for us. If we can be playing that way and be winning, or Maresca may be sending Neto back to the number 9 position. If you can remember, it worked some time ago during the December feature when he was injured. Yes, during March. Yes. So Maresca should try it and we see, because Nicola Jackson is not doing anything. For Jackson, he wants transitional football. Let's run. You put in direct passes. Yes, he will run, he will fall. But inside the box, look at all the crosses Neto was given. Nobody was there to challenge them. Nobody. Even when we come to working around the opponent box, you not see Jackson there. He's not deadly in that situation. And because he's not a striker, he's not that typical striker. So he can't do it to the level of a striker. A typical striker will do it. So this is why just we need a striker. We need a striker today. We need a striker tomorrow. We need a striker tomorrow next. Yes, and let's come to this young guy, George. In fact, this guy, since he started, I think last week in the conference league, he scored his first Premier League goal for Chelsea. Yes, guys, yes, if you can remember. And this game also, he scored his first Premier League goal. That game, he scored his first goal for Chelsea, not Premier League. His first goal for Chelsea. And this game, his first Premier League goal for Chelsea. And what I like about George is that his position. When it comes to position inside the box, opponent box, the guy is perfect on that. He knows how to place himself. So, to some extent, you will not see him being on the goal contribution aspect. But because he knows how to locate himself in the opponent box, the opposition box, positioning himself, he was scoring some cheap goals. I'm telling you. And this goal, it wasn't a cheap goal. Look at the direction. Yeah, the corner he put the ball. Yes, it looked like someone who has been playing football for like 20 to 30 years now. Meanwhile, young player, he cost Chelsea nothing. 0 fee, 0 transfer fee. And those players that will stand 70 million, 80 million, 50 million, 30 million, they are running like headless chicken. Yes, Nicola Jackson and co. No. Yes. And so far, guys, to be honest, yes, at the ending part of this season, Sancho is playing well. To be honest, Sancho is playing. Because now, this game, yes, he had one shot on target. It was good. Even Maresca was clapping. Don't mind him. Don't mind him. So recently, Sancho is playing. Sancho is delivering. Yes, you can see the determination from Sancho to now score goals, to now win, to make it uncomfortable for defenders. Yes, he's doing well. And Cucurella, as usual, he never had a bad game. But today, he didn't score. Yes, our striker. Yes, the striker, Manchester United will bring 80 million and take. Yes, almighty Cucurella. Today, he didn't score. And this is what we've been talking about. As a team, you need your attackers to be alive. As a team, you need your attackers to be scoring. Because mostly in football, yes, we know attackers to be goal scorers. Yes, defenders can score. But each position has their primary main duties. And as an attacker, your main duty, one of your main duty is to score goals. And when you look at our previous game, it was Cucurella scoring. But this game, we are lucky 2 attackers scored, George and Neto. And Moses Caicedo, in fact, relentless Moses Caicedo also, since the season started up to now, he never had a bad game, delivering all the time. Yes. So let's hope he continue that. till the season ends, till Chelsea will make top 4. Yes, when you look at the table, we are now 5th. Yes, Champions League spot. Yes, but Nottingham Forest, I think they still have game in hand. Yes, guys. Yes, we play 33 games. They play 32. Yes, so we have 1 point above them. So if they win, we may come back to see. But not bad. Yes, we can still see ourselves in the conversation. The top 4 race. After winning this game, yes, we can still see ourselves. So imagine we lost this game or even drew this game. Then we should forget about top 4. But now we can still count ourselves among those who can end top 4 next season, guys. Yes, so that is why we'll keep on saying in football, as a big team, just make sure that you win. When it comes to team like Chelsea, losing is never an option. Losing cannot help Chelsea. Even draw cannot help Chelsea. Particularly at the point of this season, we need top 4. So at the end of the day, we should just make sure that we win and go. Whatever happened elsewhere, for us, we get our 3 points. Yes, as I said, now we can still count ourselves those who can make top 4 this year. Yes, things will still be difficult. Yes, but after winning this game, the confidence is back little. Yes, and I will also say is that, in fact, we have to learn how not to concede an early goals. We have to learn how to defend and not conceding early goals or even conceding at this part of the season. This game will struggle because we conceded the first goal. That is why we struggle. It isn't that Fulham were better or they outplayed Chelsea. No. But because they score, they had the confidence, they had the belief. Yes, as time is going, yes, they have the belief that at the end of the day, they win the game. So they made it difficult for us. So we have to learn not to concede first goals, early goals. We have to learn. Our defenders, they have to stand up. This is the right time we need everybody. Yes, including the goalkeeper, Maresca, and the players. The players should now give their best. I said it in my preview. If Aston Villa players are playing Champions League, Newcastle players, Arsenal players, Man City players, yes, Liverpool and co, what showed that Chelsea players cannot play Champions League. So as a player, you have to take it upon yourself. Yes, okay, if my colleague, I have maybe international friend, yes, maybe Spain, Cucurella, he had his friends at Spain, Barcelona and co, they are playing Champions League. When you meet them at the international level, yes, they are talking about Champions League football, whilst you are talking about Conference League football. No, the same as Cole Palmer and Co, Bellingham and Co. So sometimes as a footballer, look onto yourself. Did I deserve to play Champions League football? Yes, you deserve. Cole Palmer. Yes, you deserve. Casado. Yes, you deserve. Yes, Cucurella, you deserve. So play to expectation. Play to win. Give her that performance. Neto, well done. George, well done. Everybody. The midfield. Today, Enzo Fernandez gave assist. That is good. Yes. But for me, I still want Enzo Fernandez to start scoring as a midfielder. Yes, I am putting it onto him again. Enzo Fernandez, I am putting it onto you. Start scoring goals. We want goals. Chelsea fan want goals. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Your opinion, your thought about this game. Yes. And our way going forward. Yes, at the next game, Everton. Let me hear from you about that game also. And how Chelsea can approach the rest or the remaining games to win all of them. Yes. And we gave you a podcast the last time about Chelsea problems, whether Maresca, the owners, or the players. So guys, please, this is the podcast. Please click to enjoy them. Yes. Take care. Peace.